Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are going to make, what am I making? And today we are going to make easy pigs in a blanket. We're going to start with smokies. Well, I actually have breakfast sausage because my husband got big ingredients that he wanted to make them with this time. You can use little smokies, and we've got crescent rolls. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to start out by opening your package, and there is a little spot usually that tells you where to open it. And we are going to open it here. And then this, you should be able to just press and it pops. Just like that. It's easy peasy. Let's go ahead and roll this out. Sometimes you can get the crescent rolls that are one sheet. And so you don't have to mess around with them being little triangles. But I'm going to show you a workaround you can do. We're going to use a section at a time, because I'm going to work on the same space that I have the crescent rolls. Let's go ahead, and now that we've got half of this, I'm going to pinch this together a little bit. You want it to kind of be one piece, and we are going to need little pieces of this. And so what you can do is take your knife and just cut it. It might be easy, might not be easy, and you don't need to worry that if it's not a whole piece, we'll be able to fix this. Because you're going to wrap them around, it really doesn't matter. So you just want to cut pieces. So let me do that first, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, I have all of these cut up, and now I am going to open the breakfast sausages, because that's what we got. And that didn't open nicely. I'm going to take a couple of these out. You don't need them to be the whole size. We just need to cut them in half, like that. And then what you're going to do is wrap this around each of the links and then set it. Simple, and it'll thin out a little bit. That's okay. These don't have to be perfect. They're going to puff up and be delicious. You can let me know in the comments, do you eat these with ketchup, or do you eat them with mustard? Which do you prefer, or do you just eat them plain? All right, let me just continue doing these, and I'll show you what they look like done. So I've got half of them done, I think. I have 3 more smokies to do, so I'm going to do those up. And this is what they look like so far. So there's 10 smokies in the container. So this will make 20 little smokies. So you just need to have 20 little sheets. And if you find that some of them are too long or they break into pieces, you don't have to worry about that, because they do just go around, and they don't have to be any certain form. They just go around until they stop. And if you find that your piece of crescent is too much, don't use it. Just put it off to the side. And if it breaks, don't worry. You can just keep going around. We'll make this one extra puffy. Some people like a lot of crescent, some people don't. See, that one broke too. Just keep going. Not a problem. And we're going to preheat the oven to 350. I'm going to steal a little bit from that one and add it on this one. And I'm going to make this a little longer. You can just squish it, and you can form it however you want. Got that little bit there, and let's do that to this one. Ta-da. Use all of those. I do have 2 more croissants. So what I can do is I can just roll them up, and we can eat those. We can make breakfast croissants for later. So easy enough. Let's go ahead and put them in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until they're golden brown. And here they are done. And here the pigs in the blanket are now done. You can see the croissants got a little extra burnt because they were different sizes. So like sizes, things they would have cooked better. On a separate tray. My fault. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and let me know what sauce you're going to serve your pigs in a blanket with. Have a great day.